Hey, Ray Alkali here. Insurance tips for smart people. It's disability insurance conversation today. There's a few myths out there about disability insurance that I thought we should dispel, but uh, at first we need to show the insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Share and like. Anyway, disability insurance. Everybody thinks that they have no need for disability insurance because if they work for an employer, they have a group plan. Well, disability insurance will cover you up to 60% of $5,000 or something like that. So usually most people will have a shortage, and there's a limited amount of time that they're going to get their disability insurance. So if you're working for a company that gives you a group plan, you should find out what your benefit is, because it is probably not enough. So if you are used to making $5,000 and you only get 60%, is that going to be enough to cover you for all your expenses? Think about your mortgage, your groceries, your utilities, all those expenses that you have every month if you're disabled for a while. And the other myth is that having disability insurance is not just for when you get hurt. Most people that work in offices assume that they're going to not get hurt. I work in an office, nothing's going to happen to me. Well, guess what? Things happen, and usually it's illnesses. 1 in 3 men will have a disability between the ages of 30 and 64, I think is the actual statistic. And 1 in 4 women, or actually, sorry, that's the opposite. 1 in 4 men and 1 in 3 women. Sorry about that. But the point is that there is a good chance that you're going to be more disabled for a long period of 6 months or longer in that time frame than you are going to actually die. You're more likely to be disabled. Therefore, disability does cost a little bit more than term life insurance. However, it's not that expensive to make up the difference from your group plan. So your group plan might be coming out of your paycheck, and you're going to have a disability of 60% of your salary up to $5,000, but you're going to get the benefit for 5 years. If you have your own, you can make up the difference and for a longer period of time. Nobody plans to be sick. I happen to have a friend that was disabled because of an issue, chronic issue that he's never going to get rid of. Till the age of 65, he would have had no income. Lucky for him, he had his own policy, which was on top of his group policy. And life is good. He can pay his bills. He can make his plans. He can continue life as it was before, other than being with the illness. So those are the 2 myths that I think people need to understand, that disability from work does not cover everything you need. And the other one is that it's not about getting hurt. It's more about getting sick. There are other myths which we'll cover in another video. If you have any questions about disability insurance, give me a shout out, put in some comments, or like and share with your friends that all have a job and think that what they have is enough. If you don't talk to me, talk to an agent. Make sure you get covered for what you need, because you insure your home, your cars. Plan for insuring your paycheck. Disability insurance is an important factor of a financial plan, and if you do not have it, you really don't have a financial plan, because if you get disabled for 6 months or longer, you do not have a income to pay off all your financial plans going forward. And like my friend, if you're going to be out of work for the next 20 to 30 years because of something you can't foresee, any plan you had is really no longer a plan. So disability insurance, give me a shout out, share and like. And again, I'm going to show my insurance tips for smart people. Show it to your friends, and we'll talk to you in the next video.